sorry I didn't get to finish the video. I was going to, after the slime collection, I was going to show you guys all my slime supplies. But I did it and the video was too long, so I had to trim it down. And that's why I didn't have an outro on that video, if you saw it. So I'm just going to show you my slime supplies. And yeah. So here's my Model Magic that I took out of the package. And yeah. And I used this red bowl that, it's like in... Yeah, it's stashed right now. But I have all my stuff outside. So I just came outside. Okay. So it's my foam balls, slime balls that I got at Michael's. And this, I think I probably got it in a Ross bag. So I'm guessing I got it at Ross. And there's two, these are shaving foam, and they are two soothing aioli ones. I don't know what that means. And then there's the original. There's three, and I'm not even close to being out of any of these. So, yeah. I got this a really long time ago, too. I have more Model Magic. I have a whole other bag. So. And then I have all these like different sequin chunky glitters. And then the fine glitters. And then I use this to knead on because I don't want to get the slime everywhere or whatever. And then this lotion because I didn't want to keep having to get the lotion out. So I put it in this tube that my aunt got me. And then my glue. My baby. I have so much left too. And I have 3 clear slime bottles, but they're not in this bag. And this is just in this like really dirty bag, but it works perfectly fine, and it fits all my stuff really well. So, yeah. Okay, I'm just putting all this away. And I'm just going to do my outro while I'm bending down. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry about that other video. And this video was like 2 minutes, so it was very short. But thank you guys for watching. And hopefully you guys will have watched my other video. And please subscribe to William Stover and turn on notifications so you know when me or Milo or just me or people or us or whatever upload a new video, so then you'll get notified or whatever. So, bye!